Come join me on this crazy adventure, how I find out how food really makes it onto your plate. We're in Otis, about an hour outside of MDI, at On the Horizon Bakery, who made that blueberry pie that is still living in my mind. I cannot wait to make this. Hello.
Hi there.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Very nice to meet you.
Is this your bakery?
It is.
This is cool.
It's pretty cool. The fantastic thing about it is that it's full DIY.
So wait, you're like a mechanic and construction worker as well as a baker?
Yes.
Wow. All right, well, show me. I'll be the judge of this. This is incredible. How many pies do you churn out?
Right now, I'm making about 40 a week for Beals alone, and it's been about 400 to 500 thus far.
Incredible. Well, I got the blueberries. Should we start? That was one of, if not the best blueberry pies I've ever had. Now I have a mom, so I actually can't say it was the best.
No, of course not.
Because then she would get very upset. This pie is half butter.
The crust is.
That's why it's good.
The hardest part about baking a pie is to make sure that the bottom crust is cooked through.
Got it.
So now it's time to work on our filling. We prep a pie like a shake and bake.
Really?
Yep, we're gonna grab a bag rather than a bowl. Put all our dry ingredients in it, add the blueberries, shake and bake. There you go. A little attitude.
Haley normally uses wild blueberries for pies because they retain less water and have an overall richer taste. But I'm confident it will still taste delicious. All right, what do you think?
I think it looks great.
Yeah? Look at that. Bam! You still got it, David. Thank you so much for this.
You're very welcome.
I have my pie. I cannot wait to bring it to Beals and eat it.